guys, welcome back to my vlog. Good morning. It's 6:30 in the morning or 6:40. Basta I'm going to school today, so we're back to school. So we actually have immersion, we have work immersion, and I just want to show you guys what we do, what we will do in the work immersion. So it's kind of like a day assistant students. So yes, I'll update you guys when we're already there because we have to go to school and then the school bus will bring us there. So when we arrive in the work immersion, my videos might be low quality is because I'm going to be using my iPad and I can't use my phone since I'm not allowed to bring my phone anyways. So here's what's inside my bag. Here, of course, water, and then my lab coat, and then of course, as you can see guys, it's my hygiene kit again, my makeup pouch. Guys, my bag is from MAC. It's so cute and fluffy. Don't forget lunch. I have lunch. Anyway, so I'll just update you guys when we already arrived there.
3 hours later.
We are here guys. This is my group mate guys.
Nag-hi agad yung babae.
Sinong babae? Ah! So today, we are going to microbiology. Microbiology. So we have to wear shoe cover and gloves. And ano pala? Hairnet. Shoe cover guys.
Pero akala ko kapag pagpunta mo ng Sephora, meron kang gift pag birth month mo.
Oo.
Kailangan mo pala ng 200 points bago ka makapag-ano.
Well, ako hindi.
I think we just need to share
Ako din, di ko pinakita yung Emirates sa ito ko.
Ano sinabi
Pumunta lang ako ng cashier. Di ko alam kung kailangan may i-purchase ka. Pero kasi birthday ko, yung kaya may binili ako. Tapos sabi ko, can I have a birthday, basta may sinabi akong birthday gift sa kanila. Tapos yung nagbigay siya. May chinek lang siya sa
Saan ka ba nag-check?
Ganda pa naman ng nakuha ko na. Yung first, di ko alam kung
Dalawa na ata yan.
kung tawag doon, like per year different or kung pare-parehas lang.
Daya. Sabi ako, kailangan ko lang muna ng membership.
Tapos, try mo ulit.
Pinoy ba na ko? Oo, Pinoy.
Try mo ulit sa Kasi hindi ko din birthday nun eh. Like, hindi ko mismong birthday yun. Kumuha ko.
Tsaka first time ko pumasok nun sa Sephora actually. Nanibago ako kasi ang dami kong nakitang products doon. Nakakala ko sa TikTok.
Outfit check. Is ready for battle na kami. Naka-shield na kami and all.
Wear your TV.
Wear your tepek, guys. Ang laki ng mukha ko sa mask na ito, nakakalinis.
Mask.
It's like... Guys, binigyan na agad kami ng things to do. Wala, iba na lang. Copy-paste lang. Thank you. Copy-paste. Copy-paste guys. That's all. Tapos na ako magsuwa. Iris naglaro na lang. Anyways, guys. Yun lang naman. Pinagsulat lang kami. Wala pang masyadong wala pa siya masyadong pinapagawa. Only writing. Update you guys later, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Bye, guys. Walang tao, guys. Hawakan ko. Tour ko kayo, guys. Incubation room, guys. Testing. Media preparation. It's filtration. Yan, na-try namin. May video kami. Baka inagay ko here. And then this one, PCR results. Kasi hindi na kami na machine pang test. This one, product plants versus zombies. Focus na focus yung ito. Partida, di pa siya tapos magsulat ah.
Ako nag-edit niya.
Cut lang. Di pa siya tapos. Naglaro, di pa pala tapos. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na may 0.5 pala yung ano, yung front camera ko.
Yung
Sorry guys.
Asan na ako?
Yan kasi, tagal mo kasi. Ako lang nakatapos guys. I'm the winner. Ako winner sa racing game. Pag nag-ano kami, pag nagsusulat kami, ng ganito. Paunahan talaga kami, kahit walang nagsasalita. Kahit walang nagsasabi na ano, na may race.
Oh.
Common sense na yun. Kung di
Common
lang ako
sense.
umulit, ako na panalo.
Imi-imi mo. Okay guys, yun lang. Wala pa rin kami ginagawa. Ano oras na ba? So, 2 hours. 2 hours pa kaming ano. Sana may gawin tayong ano, like something. Not writing. You know.
So, for my experiments.
Oo,
What
like
the
experiment.
heck? School science.
That's all guys. This is the life of a STEM student.
Oh, wow.
Ano lang, sulat-sulat lang. So, binigyan na ulit kami ng bagong task. Magsusulat ulit. Continuation daw na ito. Nang tapos na namin sulat. So, more sulat guys. Yay! Tapos na kami mag-writing. First place series, second place ako. Ano oras na?
Okay, it doesn't mean that you are a failure even though
Magsulat ka lang, Freya. Magsulat ka lang, Freya. Bakit mo ganyan ka? So, it's already pa 11. Oh my God! 1 hour na lang. So, baka wala na kaming gawin. Unless may pasulat ulit. We are finished. Kahit maaga pa rin. Dapat 12:30 alis namin. Pero, we are too much hunger. Tapos may souvenir kaming kinuha. yung food cover. So ngayon, babalik na kami dun sa ay, sorry. Babalik na kami sa lobby. Basta dun sa place na, sa room na pinagsistayan namin. And then, kain na kami. Dito na kami sa room, guys. And then, he's already here. Kasi kanina, he wasn't here. Sumunod siya from his driving test. And we are eating. They're all chicken, so. Guys, I forgot to vlog, but we are playing badminton. No, they are playing badminton and I'm just sitting down. So that's all for the day as a STEM student. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And like, share, comment, and subscribe guys. Bye!